a mess! Wow! Wow! Who is that?
Cleaning up can be a treasure hunt.
First, let's pick up all the blocks.
Into the big toy box. Now the cars, it's time to race. Back into their parking space. Now our friends, so soft and sweet, make the playroom nice and neat. The path is clear. The treasure is near.
The treasure is a tidy room.
Cleaning up is fun to do. Bye-bye.